Getting your tractor and planter set up before planting ensures that you will be ready to go when it is time to plant your fields. This walkthrough will help make sure you are ready to go when your crops need to be planted. Note, depending on your specific setup, screenshots may vary slightly. Tractor setup. On the FieldView Cab app, go to the Equipment page, click on Add New Equipment, select Equipment Type, select Tractor, Make, and Model, select Steering Type, Articulated, Front, or Track. Enter tractor name to uniquely identify this tractor. Then verify GPS measurements, then click Done. Hitch to rear axle. Distance between the rear axle to the hitch or point of contact with the implement. Tractor center to GPS. Distance between the center of the tractor, can use hitch as a center line, and GPS globe. If tractor came from factory, measurement should be 0. Rear axle to GPS. Distance between rear axle and GPS globe. GPS height. Distance from the ground to the GPS globe. Planter setup. From the Add New Equipment page, select Planter and click Next. Select Planter, Make, and Model. Select frame style, center trailing, dual rear, or single. Select planter rows. Select row spacing. Then select hitch style, 2-point pivot, 3-point, or drawn. Enter planter name to uniquely identify this planter. Verify planter setup. Select Planting Display and Planting Controller. Verify wheel distance. Then verify trailing rows and trailing rows seed exit. Then standard seed exit. Verify application setup. Choose Application Controller if applicable, otherwise keep as disabled and click Done. You're now ready to head out into the fields.